Okay, here's Tony again with another marble machine. Looks like he has nothing else to do but making marble machines. It's true, I actually made two other ones that didn't work out, so I'm not going to show those. They are in garbage. But this one does work, and I'm actually very pleased with it. It works pretty good. It does have here and there a little hiccup, like just now, where two balls trying to go into one hole, and sometimes it gets caught in there, and then the big gear stops working, stops spinning. But here's the final project. I'm gonna turn it around a little bit so you guys get to see it from other angles. And this here is just a little power supply that I showed before. I made a long time ago. That's what I'm feeding 5 volts. This thing can run up to 12 volts. It'll spin much faster, but I like the speed is about the right amount. It's at 5 volts, and it's working. It makes me smile again. My wife liked it too, so I'm going to take it to the club on Monday, and hopefully I'll show it in some nursing homes, and just like the other things I'm going to show, and have these people enjoy it as well. So that's all I want to show you for today. You have a great day, great weekend, and I'll be talking to you again with my new invention or another marble machine. You never know.